Hi all, this is Yashodhan. Today we are going to see a case study on robots and the robots taking over the world. A detailed case study, particularly on the restaurant robot. Why robot? Robot never feel fatigue. They will never ask excuse. They never ask pay hike too. So the robots will be preferred by the industrialist and common peoples for their works in future. Whether these replacement are possible, people always tends to doubt whether the modern technology will be applicable for the industrial revolution. Earlier, few decades ago, uh, people used to do their agriculture with the help of cows, horses, and human beings' involvement with the traditional equipments. So, but due to industrial revolution, these uh, traditional equipments or traditional things are replaced by modern farming equipments. Because of involvement of these equipments, the production of agriculture become increased rapidly during that time. As such, like these robots, which are now in the floors of industries, will be upgraded by introduction of artificial intelligence with the help of machine learning algorithm and deep learning algorithm. These robots will tend to work alongside the robots in the near future and in the upcoming future, gaining the expert knowledge of human beings. These robots tend to replace the humans in all walks of our life. The main application of robot apart from industry is uh, service industries, where restaurant is one part of that one. The robots which are involved in restaurants nowadays are used to serve the human beings or customers. They will take the order and serve their foods to their table as per the order. Will the robot or will this kind of restaurant robot come to our cities? Yes, it already came. A few years back, Chennai had a robot themed restaurant located at Semanjeri, which is first themed restaurant in Tamil Nadu. Another one followed in Porur. Now, our own Coimbatore have a robot themed restaurant at the Avinasi Road near Lakshmi Mill Junction. In this restaurant, the robots makes the serving purpose and also act as an entertaining purpose for their customers. So day by day, these kind of restaurant robots are increasing in all the cities of India. Today, in this case study, we are going to analyze these restaurant robots. We are going to see the components of the restaurant robots and how these components are functioning, how these are clubbed together and act as a restaurant robot. Normally, the restaurant robots looks as such like human beings. In order to mimic these robots as like human beings, these robots structure of the body of the robots are built with the help of 3D printing. The 3D printing arrangements and the designs part is actually carried out with the help of designers. uh, each designers or each makers or manufacturers have different looks for different robots. These kind of robots are freely movable in the floors of restaurants with the help of line following capability or line following sensors, or with the help of the magnetic strips which are arranged. Normally, with the help of tablet, they order the foods and the order go to the robots, and the robot pick the uh, foods and deliver to the table. The main components of the restaurant robots are manipulators, interfactors, actuators, sensors, then processors and softwares. A manipulator is nothing but the body of the robots, which includes links, joints, and other structural elements. These structural elements are normally built with the help of 3D printers. Next one is end effector. End effector is normally called as hand of the robot. It is the last joint of the manipulator. Then actuators. Actuators is nothing but power supplying unit or the output of the robot. Normally, the humanoid robots or restaurant robot are supported by the servo motor and stepper motors. Then next one is sensors. Sensor is called as input of the robot, where it sends the physical quantity and convert these physical quantities, which are normally non-electrical quantity, into the known electrical quantity in the means of current and voltage. Then controller is the cerebellum of the system, where it controls and coordinates the motion of the actuators. Then processor normally the brain of the robot. It calculates the motion and velocity of the robot's joints and links movements, etc. Then software normally ROS software, robotic operating softwares are used in all the platforms where the normal routine of operations are carried out in this environment. By having the whole structure and by varying the components according to the specific applications, the robots are designed and applied in the restaurants. At the end of the case study, we can conclude that yes, the robots are taking over the world, particularly in the servicing sectors, like a restaurant robot, where normal servers and waiters can be replaced with the help of robots. Day by day, with the help of evolution of artificial intelligence and the upcoming algorithms of machine learning and deep learning, helps these robots to act as such like human beings. So that's the conclusion. Thank you.